shining the light through the dark mother womb. The dark mother. Oh, how we as a collective has harbored the energy and passed down this feminine energy from generation to generation without knowing how to transmute, harness, and balance the energy into positivity, productivity, and loving, tranquil energy for all of our collective. Fragments and pieces are left as a debris in our womb space without the proper cleansing of this untamable energy. The baggage, the wounds, the pain, the bruises, the shadows. We honor and shine light to this side of us, being that this is the path to healing and forgiving what was done to us and for us. For the elevation of our soul. Let's come together, women, and keep shining our light through the tunnels of infiniteness in the known and unknown, where we all came from and where we all are going back to. May we heal the dark mother womb and transmute her light from within. Some ways we can transmute the dark mother womb are by womb cleansing, through herbal unit steam, also by utilizing herbal remedies, by making tea blends for our womb, and creating woman's sister healing circles. Let's transmute and rise our dark mother to the light. Follow along as I read an insert out of my journal. Egypt dawn came through my portal at a divine timing. The curses and spells that were passed down to I stopped itself in its tracks. Soon as I thought of her transpired. When her soul became flesh, I knew that bringing her earth side meant that healing needed to take place, that the trauma would need to be released, and that the bondage that was tightly wrapped around me needed to loosen, cut, and burn to pieces. Egypt's divine, radiant light and ancestral spirit was more than enough to transform myself back to the natural being I came into this world as. Robbing your child of their essence and purity will eventually show up in their spirit through their communication to others, through their habits, and even through their heart space. Allow your child to be in their natural state. Embrace their uniqueness. We should not be abusing our children, yelling, healing, cursing, all the degrading things that has been passed down from generations to generations. We are here to guide our youth to their purpose, mission, so when they transform into an adult, they don't have to heal from colonization and your idea of what they should and shouldn't do. We are all guides. We all have gifts and purposes to fulfill. Why make it hard for a child that will soon be an adult? Unlearn, relearn, and heal the wounds from the past so that our children's future can be full of purity. I affirm no more spells and curses for all of our collectives and lineage. Ashe, 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 and it is so. The earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all of the above, please link me. Let's get to it.
restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.